We are here with the United Way doing our Day of Caring. I used to work for another bank. We did some stuff in the community, but nothing like Zions allows. So it's a huge difference, and it's really fun. The support that Zions gives you to work out in the community is phenomenal.
We get together every year and we just volunteer some of our time and come out and help out the community. So really like doing it. You just get satisfaction out of seeing some results from work with your own hands. We always feel good helping out different members of the community, and we don't care who it's for, we just really like to help.
I love that Zions has always had such strong ties with the United Way. I love what United Way represents and what it does for communities and families, so I love that Zions takes a big part in that and that I get to participate. It just makes you feel good, you get to help out, you know that the work and the time that you're putting in is going to a good cause.